Looking for the best Forex broker to kickstart your trading journey? Whether you're after no deposit bonuses, low trading costs, or just want a reliable platform to grow your skills, you're in the right place. In this video, we are going to be having a look at some of the top 5 best Forex brokers with a low minimum deposit. Be sure to like and subscribe to our videos for future content, as it greatly supports the channel. Let's dive straight into it. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have Alpari. Alpari is a seasoned global broker with over 25 years of experience in the financial markets. Founded in 1998 and trusted by over 1 million clients worldwide, the broker offers access to a wide range of financial instruments with competitive spreads and commission-free accounts. Traders can choose from multiple platforms, providing flexibility for both mobile and desktop trading. The broker supports its users with extensive educational resources, including demo accounts, webinars, tutorials, and expert market insights, catering to both beginners and experienced traders. With a variety of account types, Alpari accommodates different trading preferences and strategies, while daily market analysis helps users stay informed and make well-considered decisions. The broker gives traders access to over 750 financial instruments across a wide spectrum of markets. You can dive into Forex, trading major, minor, and exotic currency pairs. Commodities are also available, like crude oil, Brent oil, and natural gas, as well as metals including gold and silver, great for leveraging international exchanges. Cryptocurrencies are also available, as well as ETF CFDs, futures CFDs, and crosses CFDs for unique cross-market opportunities. The broker offers a choice of 3 powerful trading platforms. The proprietary Alpari trading application is designed for mobile traders, giving easy access to markets, account management, and trade ideas on the go. For desktop users and advanced users, MetaTrader 4 provides reliable tools like customizable charts, automated trading, and multi-account management. Meanwhile, MetaTrader 5 expands on this with more indicators, deeper market access, stock trading, and advanced strategy testing. Perfect for traders who want more flexibility and power. The broker offers a variety of trading accounts to suit different experience levels and strategies. Their micro account is ideal for beginners, using cent-based balances and smaller trade sizes to trade real markets with lower risk. The standard account provides access to most trading instruments with no commission and a low minimum deposit, making it suitable for less experienced traders. For more advanced users, the ECN account offers tight spreads and commission-free trading on Forex, indices, and commodities, while the Pro ECN account is designed for seasoned traders, providing zero spreads, low commissions, access to all instruments, and advanced trading tools. Alpari keeps traders informed with timely market news and in-depth analysis across multiple instruments. Its daily updates provide expert insights into market trends, price movements, and key economic events, helping traders make more informed decisions. The analysis covers everything from currency pair fluctuations and commodity trends to stock market shifts and macroeconomic developments, giving traders a comprehensive view of the markets. Whether you're tracking gold, oil, or major currency pairs, Alpari's analysis section equips you with the tools and insights needed to refine strategies and respond quickly to changing market conditions. At number 4 on our list is XM. XM, one of the most well-established and globally recognized Forex and CFD brokers in the industry, was founded in 2009 and has grown to serve millions of traders worldwide. The broker offers an excellent range of tradable instruments, including Forex, indices, commodities, precious metals, energies, stocks, and cryptocurrencies. XM supports both MetaTrader 4 and 5, giving you access to 2 of the most popular trading platforms in the market, with fast execution, a wide range of indicators, and analytical tools. XM's mobile application gives traders a fast and convenient way to trade over 1,000 instruments on the go. It features real-time pricing, quick execution, advanced charting tools, and customizable price alerts. The XM app delivers a smooth and reliable mobile experience while including built-in market news, analysis, and strong security, all while delivering a smooth and reliable mobile trading experience. Their account options include standard, ultra-low, and shares accounts, alongside demo and Islamic account options, with minimum deposits starting from just $5, making XM accessible for new traders while still offering advanced features for experienced traders. The broker is regulated and trusted by multiple authorities, including the CYSEC, the ASIC, the DFSA, and the FSC internationally, ensuring a secure and transparent environment. They offer strong client protection with segregated funds and negative balance protection, giving traders added peace of mind. With powerful platforms, low entry requirements, strong regulation, and a commitment to trader education, XM delivers a balanced and user-friendly trading experience for traders of all levels. If you're looking for a versatile and reputable broker to support your trading journey, XM is one worth considering. Coming in at number 3, we have HFM. HFM, a leading financial services provider, is a trusted name in the financial industry. HFM is dedicated to delivering top-notch financial solutions and services, navigating the complexities of the financial landscape. They are committed to providing clients with tailored and innovative strategies to meet their unique needs. HFM offers a diverse selection of market instruments to trade, including Forex currency pairs, commodities such as metals and energies, stocks, indices, bonds, CFDs on commodities, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies. Clients can benefit from HFM's commitment to staying at the forefront of market trends, ensuring access to an extensive range of investment opportunities. With a focus on innovation and efficiency, HFM's trading instruments are supported by advanced technology, providing users with a seamless and responsive trading experience. Featured platforms are available on the HFM proprietary trading platform, as well as MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. Users can choose from a variety of platforms, each equipped with advanced features, real-time data, and intuitive interfaces. HFM ensures clients have access to cutting-edge trading solutions, enabling them to execute trades efficiently and stay informed about market trends. Featured accounts are available on Cent, Zero, Pro, and the Premium account, with Demo and Islamic account options. These trading accounts are designed to accommodate varying levels of expertise, offering flexibility and choice to its clients. With competitive spreads, cutting-edge technology, and a user-friendly interface, HFM's trading accounts are suitable for both novice and experienced investors. HFM is dedicated to empowering traders with knowledge through its comprehensive array of educational resources. These resources are thoughtfully curated to cater to traders of all skill levels, providing valuable insights into financial markets and trading strategies. They offer a diverse range of material, including articles, tutorials, webinars, and more. Whether you're a novice seeking to understand the basics or an experienced investor looking to refine your skills, their educational resources offer a wealth of information. Overall, HFM stands as a leading force in the financial landscape, offering a wealth of opportunities and resources for traders and investors. With a commitment to innovation, HFM provides a diverse range of trading instruments, advanced platforms, and tailored trading accounts to meet the dynamic needs of its clientele. The emphasis on education underscores HFM's dedication to empowering individuals with knowledge to navigate the complexities of the financial markets. At number 2 on our list is FBS. FBS, a globally recognized online trading broker, stands at the forefront of the financial industry, offering a comprehensive platform that caters to the diverse needs of traders worldwide and established with a commitment to providing access to financial markets for both novice and experienced traders. FBS has rapidly gained prominence for its user-friendly interface, innovative trading tools, and a wide array of financial instruments. The broker offers a diverse range of trading instruments to cater to the dynamic needs of its global clientele, including Forex, metals, indices, energies, stocks, and Forex exotics. FBS distinguishes itself by providing traders with a diverse portfolio of instruments, offering flexibility and opportunities for profit across different asset classes, and ensures a comprehensive and accessible trading experience for individuals at all levels of expertise. Featured platforms are available on the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 trading platforms, and are designed to cater to the diverse needs of traders. Whether traders prefer the classic MetaTrader 4 or the advanced capabilities of MetaTrader 5, or even the convenience of mobile and web-based platforms, FBS ensures a diverse range of options to suit different trading styles and preferences. They offer a tailored trading experience with a variety of account types, designed to accommodate the diverse preferences and styles of its clientele. Traders can choose from a range of account options, including the Standard, Cent, and Pro accounts, with demo and swap-free Islamic account options. By offering a diverse range of account types, FBS ensures that traders can select the option that best aligns with their individual preferences, experience levels, and trading strategies. They also offer a diverse array of educational material, which includes guidebooks, tips, video lessons, and more. Also offered is a variety of webinars, seminars, and tutorials, which cover essential topics such as market analysis, technical and fundamental analysis, risk management, and trading strategies. These educational sessions are conducted by seasoned professionals and industry experts, offering valuable insights and practical tips to help traders make informed decisions. Overall, FBS stands as a leading force in the online trading industry, providing a comprehensive platform that caters to the diverse needs of traders worldwide. The broker's range of trading instruments, user-friendly platforms, diverse account types, and extensive educational resources reflect its dedication to creating a dynamic and supportive trading environment. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best Forex brokers with a low minimum deposit, we have CMC Markets. CMC Markets has been a trusted name in online trading since 1989, serving over 1.5 million clients worldwide as a FTSE 250 listed company. With decades of experience, the broker combines reliability with innovation, offering advanced trading technology through its proprietary next-generation platform and MetaTrader 4, designed to provide a seamless and professional trading experience. Regulated by top-tier authorities, CMC Markets ensures a secure environment for traders, whether they are beginners or seasoned professionals, making it a respected choice in the global trading community. CMC Markets offers a comprehensive range of over 12,000 CFD instruments, providing traders with diverse opportunities across global markets. Their offerings include Forex pairs, indices, commodities, cryptocurrencies, shares, and ETFs. With fully automated execution, deep liquidity, and a wide selection of markets, the broker provides both retail and professional traders with the tools to diversify portfolios, manage risk effectively, and take advantage of opportunities in fast-moving global markets. The broker offers a diverse range of trading platforms to cater to various trader preferences. Their proprietary next-generation platform provides access to over 12,000 instruments. It boasts advanced charting tools, technical indicators, and features like one-click trading and automated alerts. For traders seeking a more customizable experience, MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 are available, featuring enhanced order types, a built-in economic calendar, and improved strategy testing. Whether you prefer web-based, desktop, or mobile trading, CMC Markets ensures a seamless and professional trading experience across all devices. CMC Markets offers a variety of trading accounts to suit different trader needs and experience levels. Their standard account is ideal for retail traders with competitive spreads and no minimum deposit requirement. For active Forex traders, their FX Active account offers spreads from 0.0 pips on major Forex pairs, plus access to all other instruments with a small commission. Experienced traders can opt for the CMC Pro account, which delivers higher leverage, priority service, and exclusive rebates. Additionally, corporate accounts are available for businesses, providing tailored features for corporate trading. Each account is designed to meet specific trading styles and goals, ensuring flexibility for all types of traders. The broker offers a comprehensive range of educational resources designed to support traders at every level. Their Knowledge Hub provides detailed platform guides, step-by-step tutorials, and in-depth articles covering essential topics such as technical and fundamental analysis, risk management, and trading strategies. In addition, traders can join live and on-demand webinars hosted by experienced market analysts, offering insights into market trends, trading psychology, and advanced techniques. The resources are carefully organized by experience level, ensuring that every trader can access content tailored to their needs. From learning the basics to refining complex trading strategies, the broker's educational tools are aimed at helping traders build confidence and make more informed decisions in the financial markets. And those are some of the top 5 best Forex brokers with a low minimum deposit on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.